In this video, we will learn about the Zenfolio Account Dashboard. The dashboard is the very first page you will see after logging into your account. It provides a central hub for access to the different areas of your account, as well as a quick glance at the activity within your account. Now let's take a look at the layout of the dashboard. In the very top right-hand corner, you will find the Info Center. This is a place to find interactive guides of using different features within your account. You will also learn about new features being added to your account in the Info Center. The Notifications bell is where you'll see notifications about things like new comments being added to images in galleries, as well as new favorites being selected from galleries. And if you click on your first name in the very top right-hand corner, you'll be able to access your account settings, upgrade your plan if you'd like to do so, and then you can also log out of your account. On the far left-hand side of your account dashboard, you'll find all the important account icons. This is where you can access your galleries, the selling area of your account, as well as reports, the CRM to access your contact list, website will allow you to access your website editor, the blog area to edit and customize your blog posts, SEO tool to control the SEO settings of your website pages, as well as add-ons and additional support options. In the center area of the dashboard, you'll find quick links to add a new gallery, view orders, add blog post, add a new contact, edit your website, or access our applications like Photo Refine or the Desktop Uploader. Additionally, you will find some different panels with important account activity. Here, when you first get started, you will see the steps for success. This gives you a step-by-step guide of getting started with your account. You will also see an option with gallery activity. This will provide you a quick glance at some activity that is happening in some of your galleries. Over time, there will be additional panels that may appear here as well related to selling or other aspects of your account. If you ever need to edit or want to rearrange these panels, you can click on the Edit button at the top of this dashboard page. And lastly, at the very bottom of your dashboard, you can click on the Manage button to see the current storage usage of your account, and you can click on the Gallery Presets option to access presets that can be added to your different galleries. For more assistance, please contact our support team or visit our support center for more information.